Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup authentication codes using Authy device transfer, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your authentication codes using Authy's device transfer feature, start by ensuring that you have the Authy app installed on your current device. Open the Authy app on your current device. Tap on the settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, select accounts. Next, look for the device transfer option and tap on it. You will then see an option to start the transfer process. Before proceeding, ensure that your new device is ready and that Authy is installed on it. On your current device, tap Start Transfer. A QR code will be generated on your current device. On your new device, open the Authy app. You will see an option that says I have a QR code. Tap on that option to scan the QR code displayed on your current device. Position the QR code within the scanning frame and allow it to scan. Once scanned, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Enter the phone number associated with your Authy account. You will receive an authentication request on your current device. Approve the request to verify the transfer. After the verification, your accounts will be transferred to the new device. You should now see all your authentication codes on your new device. To ensure everything is in order, test one of the codes with the service you use. Now that your codes are safely backed up on your new device, you can uninstall Authy from your old device if desired. Make sure to keep your new device secure, as it now contains all your authentication information. If you encounter any issues, return to the settings on your current device for troubleshooting options. Following these steps will help you securely back up your authentication codes using Authy's device transfer feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.